Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. A quick and easy guide to understanding how Allyne-OS is changing safety features in 2026 Japanese cars. New models use upgraded object recognition to pick out humans and bikes more clearly, even at night or in rain. For example, the car might highlight a person stepping off the curb in a dark area, spot a cyclist coming in quickly from the side near an intersection, or shift to a slower speed profile near schools or train stations where kids and seniors are common. Allyne-OS can also adjust how strong the warning or braking is based on how vulnerable the person is. A small child at the edge of the road triggers a higher level of care than a large vehicle. Advanced driver monitoring to cut distracted and drowsy driving. Safety is not only about what happens outside the car. It is also about the state of the driver. In 2026 cars, in-cabin cameras and sensors connect to Allyne-OS to watch for warning signs. If you look away from the road for too long, glance at your phone often, or show signs of drowsiness, the system can respond. Typical steps might include gentle chimes or a short message on the dash, a light vibration in the seat or steering wheel, or a suggestion to take a break if repeated signs of fatigue appear. If things get worse, some cars can slow down, keep you in lane, and prepare for a safe stop. Many drivers worry about privacy. Car makers say that most driver monitoring data is processed inside the car, not uploaded, and that owners can control what gets stored. It is worth checking each brand's policy to see how they handle this. Emergency maneuvers and automatic help when something goes wrong. Sometimes, even with good habits and careful driving, trouble strikes. Allyne-OS is built to help in those rare but serious moments. New 2026 features may include automatic emergency steering to swerve around a sudden obstacle such as a fallen object or a stopped car ahead. Smarter airbag and restraint control that adjusts release timing based on the direction and strength of the crash, and automatic emergency calls that send your location, crash type, and key data to rescue services. Imagine a late-night drive on a rural road. A deer jumps out, you brake and steer, and Allyne-OS helps you avoid a spin. If a crash still happens, the car notifies emergency services with accurate location, even if you are too shaken to speak. Those minutes can matter. Over-the-air safety updates so cars keep getting safer. One of the strongest parts of Allyne-OS is its ability to update remotely. Just like a smartphone, your car can receive new software over the air. This allows improvements such as better object detection models for pedestrians and bikes, refined braking behavior that feels smoother and shorter, and new highway assist modes released in future years. Japanese makers tend to test these updates heavily before they go live. In many cases, you will see a message on the screen asking to schedule the update while the car is parked. This means your 2026 car can get smarter and safer over time, without constant trips to the dealer. What drivers should know before buying a 2026 Allyne-OS Japanese car? If you are shopping for a 2026 Japanese car with Allyne-OS, a little homework goes a long way. Understanding the safety package helps you pick a model that fits your family and your driving style. How to check Allyne-OS safety features on a 2026 car sticker or brochure. Car makers use different marketing names, but you can look for a few core terms in the brochure or on the window sticker. Collision avoidance or pre-crash safety with Allyne-OS. Adaptive cruise control that mentions Allyne-OS or connected driver assist. Lane keeping assist or lane centering systems. Driver monitoring or attention assist. Over-the-air software updates. Good questions to ask the dealer. Which safety features are standard, and which are part of a package? Do any features need a subscription for full use? How often are software updates planned, and how are they installed? Clear answers to these questions will give you a better picture of the car's long-term value. Using Allyne-OS safely without relying on it too much. Allyne-OS is a helper, not a chauffeur. The safest drivers treat it like a skilled co-pilot, not an autopilot. A few simple habits make a big difference. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, even when assist is active. Read the Quick Start Guide for safety features as soon as you get the car. Try new features in a quiet parking lot or empty road first. Turn off or adjust alerts that you find distracting, rather than ignoring them. Think of it as shared control. The system supports you, but you make the final call. Treating driver assist like full self-driving leads to overconfidence, which is exactly what Allyne-OS is trying to guard against. Future-proofing how Allyne-OS prepares Japanese cars for the next 5 years. Buying a car in 2026 means thinking ahead. Rules, maps, and traffic patterns will keep changing. Allyne-OS is built as a base that can grow. In the next 5 years, we can expect closer links to smart traffic lights and road signs in some cities, more real-time hazard sharing between cars such as icy road alerts, and better highway automation for long trips with clearer handoff to the driver. No one can promise a fully self-driving car overnight. What Allyne-OS offers is a strong software core that can accept new features and rule changes. That helps your car stay safer and more useful for a longer time. Allyne-OS turns 2026 Japanese cars into smarter partners on the road. By acting as a shared safety brain, it helps prevent accidents, shields pedestrians and cyclists, and supports drivers when they are tired or distracted. The big shift in 2026 is that safety features are more connected, more predictive, and more upgradable. Over-the-air updates mean your car's protection can improve long after you drive it off the lot. When you shop for your next car, look beyond style and horsepower. Spend a few extra minutes on the software and safety package, and ask how Allyne-OS is used in that model. The choices you make in 2026 could give your family years of safer, calmer driving with Allyne-OS quietly working in the background on every trip. You've just seen how Allyne-OS works as the safety brain of modern vehicles. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.